Good day, creative minds. How are you doing? Because that you are very fine. I'm happy to have you here today. Welcome to day 4 of the Photoshop tutorial. And I hope you have been learning from day 1, day 2, day 3. It has been a whole lot of learning and experience for us if you are following. So in today's tutorial, we'll be moving to how to balance, how to blend background. I'll be teaching you how to blend background. Stay with me while I take you on the tutorial of how to blend background. Gradually we are moving into the full package of the tutorial. So first of all, the first thing that you have to do is that there are different kind of background. There are background that you are like the blending I want to teach you now is about blending image together to make a background. So there are some background that you have to blend several images together to make a background. For example, I want to make a background for a church flyer, so I have to blend image together to make a background. I will show you that in few minutes now. So let me move down to where I have my image. Okay. Okay, I want to look for my image. Just hold on for a while I open the folder. I should have done this earlier, but somehow I've started recording before I remember that I have to open the folder down. I should have done this earlier. And I have too much of folders on my device. Yes, I've gotten there already. I have too much of folder on my device. Too much of folders because of the works that I've done. So this way I'll be picking my picture. Let's just agree that I want to prepare a background for a church program. I'll be using something like this. So I'm going to drag something like this to my Photoshop. I'm just going to drag like this. It's going to open by itself automatically. So I wait while it opens by itself. So you can see it's opened already by itself. So I'll be blending some background with this. Just follow me closely while I blend the backgrounds together. Okay, I'm going to be blending this with it. And some few ones. So the first thing I want to do is I would love to set this on overlay. Then afterward I come here and create a layer mask. Can you see it? I come to this place to create a layer mask. So after creating my layer mask, I come to this place to select my brush tool. I have already explained the brush tool to you people. So after I select my brush tool, I will make sure that this place, the upper one is on black and the lower one, the lower background is on white. Then my brush comes like this. If your brush is not like this, if your brush is showing something like this, you have to press your tab key. Your cap lock. You press your cap lock and it will come like this. Then you can come to this place to adjust your brush, the size of your brush. You can come to this place, make sure that the hardness is 0, and you can reduce the size to your taste here. Then afterward you come to the edge and blend the edge. Can you see what I'm talking about? You blend the edge like this. So then after I'm done, I press V to drop. Then I can now press Ctrl T to select, Ctrl T to select my work. Then I can expand it, expand, and basically make it like this. Are you following? Do you see that this is the first background I'm blending? How is it looking like? You see that to a large extent it's making some sense to you. So I want to bring another image that I'm going to blend in with my background. I want to bring another image I'm going to be blending with my background. Just follow me. Don't forget that first of all, graphic design is about creativity. It's about what? Creativity. So the more creative you are, the more good you become. The more creative you are, the more good you become. So as a graphic designer, you have to know that it is about creativity. So I'm picking this and I'm going to be blending these two with it. So I'm going to follow the same procedure. I press enter, then after pressing enter, I create the layer mask. Yeah, you see where I created the layer mask. Then afterward, I come to my brush tool or press B. Then the brush tool, you can see that this is on this. The foreground is on black. Then the set background is on white. So the foreground, then I blend. I come to this edge, blend like this. I blend I brush away everywhere, every place I don't want to see. I brush them away like this. Can you see that? I brush them away like this. Then probably I set back to soft light. Can you see? I've already blended a background for Bible study. I've blended a background for Bible study. If you can do this, you are, because background matters so much in Photoshop. If you can do this perfectly, you are 50% close to achieving a good graphic design. You are 50% close to achieving a good graphic design. So what I've taught you, in other words now, is how to blend a background. I don't want the tutorials to be very long. I don't wish that they are long, because I understand that when tutorials are too long, they begin to bore you. So this is where I'll be stopping today. Thank you for joining and have a lovely day. And trust me, I'm going to be dropping the link for the background that I use. I'm going to be dropping the link on the description. So check the description for the link to the picture. And the assignment is for you to blend the same thing that I have blended. And trust me, if you did not do the assignment, if you did not submit the assignment, I will remove you from the group. Thank you and God bless you. Have a lovely day.